Today, we're exploring a topic that's both intriguing and delicate: how older men can build massive sexual tension with younger women. It's about striking the right balance, creating an electrifying connection without overstepping boundaries. We'll delve into the art of seduction, understanding the nuances of attraction across age gaps. By the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of how to create that irresistible spark in a captivating way. Let's get started. 1. Whispered conversations. Engaging in whispered conversations can be an effective way for an older man to create a private and intimate world with a younger woman. When you lean in to whisper something, even if it's just a part of your regular conversation, it naturally brings you physically closer. This proximity can be thrilling and create a sense of exclusivity. It suggests a shared secret or a private joke, enhancing the personal connection and escalating sexual tension. 2. Drawing attention to your lips. For an older man, drawing attention to your lips when interacting with a younger woman can be subtly seductive. This can be achieved through actions like lightly biting your lip during a pause in conversation or thoughtfully touching your lips while listening to her. These actions draw her attention to your mouth, a highly sensual aspect of body language, and can stimulate her imagination, suggesting intimacy without explicitly stating it. 3. Slow down your movements. By deliberately slowing down your physical movements, you can add an element of anticipation and tension to your interactions. This might involve taking your time while gesturing, speaking slowly, or even walking at a measured pace. This deliberate slowing down of your actions can give the younger woman time to take in your presence fully, making even the simplest movement seem intentional and charged with underlying attraction. 4. Intentional pauses in conversation. Strategic pauses during conversation can dramatically increase sexual tension. These pauses can be moments of silent communication, where a lot is said without words. Holding her gaze during these pauses or giving a slight knowing smile can intensify the moment. This technique creates a rhythm in the conversation, where the unsaid becomes as potent as the spoken, opening a space for mutual attraction to simmer and grow. 5. Flirtatious eye gazing. As an older man, engaging in prolonged, flirtatious eye contact with a younger woman can be a powerful tool in building sexual tension. It's about holding her gaze just a moment longer than what might be considered usual, with a hint of warmth or a soft smile. This kind of eye contact can communicate your interest and attraction without a word being spoken. It's subtle yet direct, and can create an electrifying undercurrent between the two of you. 6. Sensual compliments. Compliments that are sensual yet tasteful can be very effective. As an older man, you can express admiration for aspects of her personality or appearance in a way that suggests deeper attraction. For instance, you might comment on the hypnotic quality of her eyes or the graceful way she carries herself. These compliments should be genuine and focused more on her as a person, which can make her feel seen and appreciated on a deeper level. 7. Show your desire. Letting your eyes subtly reveal your attraction can be a delicate but potent way to escalate sexual tension. When she does something you find attractive, allow a genuine look of appreciation to cross your face. This could be a momentary glance that says you're captivated by her. However, it's important to keep this respectful and unobtrusive. The aim is to show your attraction without making her feel uncomfortable. 8. Proximity and positioning. Careful management of physical space can significantly amplify sexual tension. Position yourself close enough to her so that your presence is felt more intensely. For example, choosing to sit next to her where your shoulders might just brush, or standing close enough in a group setting where she can turn to you easily. This closeness should feel natural and unforced, and always be mindful of her comfort and responses to your proximity. 9. Use of scent. As an older man, harnessing the power of a good cologne can be a subtle yet potent way to build sexual tension with a younger woman. A distinctive scent that's not overpowering but pleasantly memorable can create an association that she finds appealing. Choose a fragrance that suits your personality and style, something that enhances your presence without dominating it. A hint of a good scent can linger in her mind, associating you with sophistication and allure. 10. Suggestive stories. Sharing stories that carry a subtle sexual undertone can be an effective way to engage her imagination and pique her curiosity. As an older man, you can draw on your experiences to tell stories that are both intriguing and slightly suggestive. These stories should be told with a sense of fun and intrigue, hinting at but never crossing the line into inappropriateness. It's about sparking her imagination and inviting her to think about possibilities, thereby heightening the sexual tension. 11. Playful footsie. Engaging in playful footsie under the table, especially in a social setting, can be a daring yet exciting way to escalate sexual tension. This should be done with a sense of playfulness, and only if you are confident that she will be receptive to it. It's a silent, private interaction that can be thrilling due to its secretive nature. However, it's crucial to proceed with caution and withdraw if she seems uncomfortable. 12. Sharing a secret. Sharing a secret or personal anecdote can instantly create a bond and a sense of exclusivity between you and a younger woman. By confiding in her, you show trust and open up a space for more intimate communication. Choose something genuine but not too heavy, a story from your past, an amusing confession, or a hidden talent. This exchange can make her feel special and closer to you, deepening the connection and, in turn, the sexual tension. 13. Accidental touches. As an older man, using brief, seemingly accidental touches can be a subtle yet effective way to build sexual tension with a younger woman. These touches should appear unplanned and fleeting, such as a gentle brush of your hand against hers, or a light touch on the small of her back as you guide her through a door. The key is to keep these touches casual yet charged with unspoken potential, hinting at a deeper physical connection without overtly stating it. It's important to be attentive to her response and respect her boundaries. 14. Complimenting her voice. Commenting on the attractiveness or soothing quality of her voice can be an intimate and unique way to build tension. This type of compliment focuses on a sensual aspect that's often overlooked, making it more personal and impactful. When you mention something specific about her voice, maybe its tone, warmth, or the way she expresses herself, it shows you're paying close attention to her and value her unique traits. This can deepen the connection and add to the underlying sexual tension. 15. Double meaning texts. Sending texts with playful double meanings can create a fun and flirtatious dynamic between an older man and a younger woman. These texts should be clever and suggestive, allowing for ambiguity that invites her to engage in a playful back and forth. It's a way of flirting that maintains a sense of decorum while clearly indicating your interest. The goal is to be witty and charming, engaging her imagination, and leaving her guessing about your intentions. 16. Choosing intimate settings. Opting for date venues that are cozy, romantic, and intimate can naturally help in building sexual tension. As an older man, choosing the right setting shows that you understand the importance of ambiance. It could be a quiet, dimly lit restaurant, a quaint coffee shop, or a scenic spot with a view. The intimacy of these settings encourages closer physical proximity and deeper conversation, both of which are key ingredients in creating sexual tension. Remember, the setting should be comfortable and inviting, making her feel at ease and open to deeper connection. 17. Playful bets or challenges. Engaging in small bets or challenges with a younger woman can be a playful way to escalate sexual tension. As an older man, you can introduce light, flirtatious stakes, such as, if I win, you owe me a coffee date, or, if you're right, I'll buy you your favorite dessert. These bets should be fun and non-pressuring, creating an opportunity for playful interaction. The excitement of the challenge, coupled with the prospect of a shared activity as a prize, can add an exciting layer to your dynamic. 18. Use of humor. Incorporating humor into your interactions is a great way to build sexual tension. Your humor should be light and flirtatious, creating an atmosphere of ease and enjoyment. As an older man, showing your playful side can be especially endearing and attractive to a younger woman. Witty banter, playful jokes, and humorous observations can deepen your connection and make your interactions more memorable. Remember, humor is a way to show your intelligence and perspective on life, which can be very appealing. 19. Artful compliments. Complimenting a younger woman on more than just her physical appearance can have a profound impact. Focus on how she makes you feel, her intelligence, her sense of humor, or the way she looks at the world. For example, saying something like, "I find your passion for art truly captivating," or "Your perspective on life is refreshing and inspiring," can create a deeper emotional connection. These kinds of compliments show that you appreciate her as a whole person, which can significantly elevate the sexual tension. 20. Mutual hobbies. Sharing a hobby or an activity that allows for close interaction can be an excellent way to build sexual tension. Engaging in activities like dance classes, cooking workshops, or hiking can provide ample opportunities for playful touches, shared laughs, and deep conversations. As an older man, showing interest in her hobbies or introducing her to yours can create a bond over shared experiences. Activities that involve teamwork or learning together can be particularly effective in fostering a closer, more intimate connection. Now that you're a tension-building expert, explore more. Uncover the signs a younger woman is flirting with you, or dive into the sexual behaviors younger women find attractive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.